Hello everyone and welcome back to another epic tutorial. I'm Kisham and in this video I'm gonna tell you guys that what is the most convenient way of transferring files between your mobile and your PC without any USB cable. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into this video with a small intro. Firstly, on your mobile phone, open Play Store and search for Wi-Fi FTP server. Open the first app and click the install button. Once the app is installed, just click on the open button to open the app. After that, click on the Start button. You will be redirected to a new window. Just click on Allow Access button and then click Allow. Now you will be redirected to the app automatically. You just need this server URL. Now come to your PC screen and open this PC. After that, right click and select the option named Add a Network Location. Then click on Next. Just click here and then again click Next. Enter the server URL from your phone into this box here. Again hit the Next button. Make sure that this checkbox has a tick mark. After that, click Next. Click Next one more time and then hit the Finish button. As you can see that a new network location is just created here. Double click the network location to open it. These are all the files from your phone shown directly on your PC without any cable. This is done via internet and you should be connected to the same Wi-Fi, and this even works with Ethernet too. And to transfer the files, you can just drag and drop the files like so. This is it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then make sure to press the like button, give that subscribe button a little bap, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, keep gaming, keep exploring, and stay epic. Goodbye.